Hi, this is Dan with StarReviews.com, and today we're going to review the As Seen on TV product, the Space Bag Storage Bags. What these bags do is they create up to 4 times more space by compressing your stuff down using a vacuum. And here's what our starter kit contained. We had 2 medium bags. As you can see, the bag is just like a reusable Ziploc bag almost. And on top it has this Sure Zip. This is patented technology to seal up the bag to keep out, air as well as water. This helps protect your stuff against water, mildew, dust, things like that. And then here in the center, that's your vacuum cap. So you're going to take your vacuum hose, place it over that, and it's going to suck the air out of the bag. And then obviously when you're doing that, it's going to compress what you're putting in the bag. So again, 2 medium bags, 2 large bags, and 2 jumbo bags. These jumbo bags are absolutely huge. So with the jumbo bag, our first test is we're going to put in 2 queen size comforters, an extra blanket, a pillow, and then 2 of these throw pillows, and see if we can't fit all that into the jumbo bag. And as you can see, the space it takes up right now, we're hoping to use the space bag and shrink that space down about 4 times. Then we're going to move on and test the large bag and try to put in 10 sweatshirts into a large bag and see how small and compact we can make that. Stay tuned. So as you can see, we use the jumbo space bag, and we stuffed in our 2 queen size comforters, our throw blanket, a full size pillow, and 2 throw pillows. And now we have it zipped up. We have the hose from our vacuum. We took off the protective caps, and now all we have is just where you want to hook the vacuum hose up to. Let me turn on our vacuum and let's let this thing see how it works. So here we are, finished with our jumbo bag test. The 2 queen size comforters, 1 throw blanket, a full size pillow, and here on the top are 2 throw pillows. So as you can see, full size pillow here, the green, throw pillow red, throw pillow brown, throw blanket is black. First queen comforter is this tan one here, and on the other side is our other queen size comforter. And it took a couple minutes to suck the air out of the bag, but I mean, look at how much space you've saved in all this stuff. I don't know if we've saved 4 times the space, but definitely probably 3 times the space. That was a pretty high stack when it wasn't in this space bag. Let's move on. Okay, so here we have 10 sweatshirts and some sweaters mixed in, but a total of 10. Here's how high it stands. We're going to pack it into the large space bag and go ahead and plug the vacuum into it. So just take note of how high it is. We're going to see how small we can make that. Okay, so here you see the result of our 10 sweatshirt test with the large space bag. As you can see, it did pretty well. Again, probably not 4 times smaller, but I would definitely say at least half the size of the pile was when it was just 10 sweatshirts. And the nice part about it is you're going to protect whatever you put in here, from water damage, from dust, from mold and mildew, which is the nice part about the product. Again, we might have overstuffed this large bag with 10 sweatshirts. I'm a pretty big guy, so my sweatshirts are pretty big. Also, if you concentrate about how you fold them, if you really try to concentrate on folding them really flat and laying them in, perfect, we kind of stuffed them in here. You probably could have got this, down a little bit more. But I would say if you put 8 or 7 or 8 sweatshirts instead of 10 into this large bag, you would have had a really compact, final product. And what you have here is no doubt pretty good. It's definitely smaller than what we started with. The space bag is a great As Seen on TV product. StarReviews is going to give it 5 out of 6 stars. It definitely does its job. And if you're into space saving or just protecting some of your valuables or some of your things that are irreplaceable, it's a good product to have. Simply works with your vacuum that you already have in your house. And you can save a bunch of space with clothes that you're not going to wear anymore. Or, as you change seasons, you want to change your wardrobe, it's perfect for that. Be sure to check out our blog at StarReviews.com to see more reviews of the As Seen on TV products.